Welcome. Let us begin. A man is no bigger than the smallest thing that provokes him. The wise man needs nothing, and yet he can make good use of anything, whereas the fool needs countless things, but can make good use of none of them. Learn to detach yourself from the chaos of the battlefield. You become what you give your attention to. If you yourself don't choose what thoughts and images you expose yourself to, someone else will. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. Why should we pay so much attention to what the majority thinks? Be tolerant with others and strict with yourself. We are quick to forget that just being alive is an extraordinary piece of good luck, a remote event, a chance occurrence of monstrous proportions. The limit is not the sky, the limit is the mind. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Don't be the person that looks at the weather report the night before to decide what you are going to do the next day. What is to give light must endure burning. The average man is a conformist, except in miseries and disasters, with the stoicism of a cow standing in the rain. Discomfort is the currency of success. If anyone tells you that a certain person speaks ill of you, do not make excuses about what is said of you, but answer, "He was ignorant of my other faults, else he would not have mentioned those alone." Thank you for your time. Stay strong.